Congratulations! You've been provided with a quote to protect your home from termites using FipForce Aqua, a highly effective chemical that delivers a cascade kill effect which transitions back to the nest, causing colony collapse. FipForce Aqua is installed by a professional team of termite specialists who understand the importance of protecting your home like it were their own. Termites can cause untold damage as they silently work behind your walls, causing costly damage. When you choose to use accredited FipForce installers, you can be assured that you will receive a professional installation using one of Australia's most widely used products. With over 10,000 homes already protected, you can be assured that you are choosing the best protection for your home. FipForce incorporates micron-sized particles which are non-repellent to termites in the soil. Because termites cannot detect the FipForce particles, they unknowingly enter the treated zone and pick up microfine particles of FipForce. Through social interaction and FipForce's unique slow-acting cascade technology, they unknowingly spread it throughout the colony, resulting in ultimate death. FipForce accredited installers have years of experience and understand the importance of doing the job to the Australian standard, which means protecting the perimeter of your home by digging a trench to below the concrete footing to ensure all termite leads are destroyed or invasive roots are removed, to guarantee that FipForce will protect your home for years to come. Areas that cannot be accessed will be drilled and injected to form a continuous treatment zone, protecting your home. It is important that you choose an accredited FipForce installer to manage your pest control for the duration of the protection period. We recommend a yearly termite inspection during your general pest control treatment. Your accredited FipForce professional knows what to look for to ensure your home is always protected from those pesky little critters. FipForce Aqua, the professional's choice.